Today's video is actually different from the type of videos that I always do on this channel. This video specifically is for small creators like me or people that are looking forward to starting their YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm just going to reveal to you how I was able to blow up my channel using this video trend. There is this video that I have been doing on this channel. If you guys have been watching me for a while now, you will notice that I keep on repeating and doing a particular type of video that is actually helping my channel to grow. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you though how that video was able to make my channel to blow. So guys, this is out of the niche that I am in, but I really need to put this across so that it can help a lot of small creators like myself. Okay, so let's get into the video. So what do you think of viral video? What do you mean by a viral video? When somebody says a viral video, to my own understanding and to my level of growth, I think a viral video is that video that has gone a long way to reach a lot of viewers. A video that has gotten a lot of views, like not the ordinary or regular type of views that a creator always gets. A small channel like myself, I can say a 10k views is a viral video. I can say a 5k views is a viral video. I can say even a 3k view is a viral video for a small channel like mine. So actually my channel was not originally niched down. I was doing a lot of videos all around, but then I did a particular video that had a lot of views, and I thought to myself, and because of the research I've been making, that it's good to repeat that kind of videos, because people that have watched that video of mine that went a little viral will love it if they get the opportunity to watch a similar video. Okay, so I made a similar video, and that type of video is a Tom Brown video on my channel. And if you are my viewer or my subscriber, you will notice I do a lot of videos or Tom Brown videos on this channel. I produce Tom Brown and I do a lot of videos about anything at all that has to do with Tom Brown. I do make videos about it on this channel, and businesses in Ghana. Okay, so if you check at the beginning of my channel, I did not actually niche down to only food and then businesses. I didn't actually niche down until I started having these videos that is going viral, and I decided to niche down because that is what most of you viewers like to watch, and I need to give you what you want to watch, not only what I am comfortable producing, but what you want to watch, which is very important. When you are a small creator, you need to put into mind what your viewers would like to see, what your viewers want to learn, what you want to offer to your viewers, what they want to consume before you put anything on the internet. So this particular video is not part of my niche, but then I've seen it that is going to help a lot of small creators to build their YouTube channel or to be better off their channels. Hence the reason for making this video. I want to talk about the importance of niching down. As I mentioned earlier on, my channel was not originally niched down, and later on I have seen that niching down is very, very important. So I want to just talk about a little bit about reasons why you should niche down your channel. Okay, you should have a particular niche that you should be making content from. Okay, so niching down is actually important, and the reason being that if you have a particular viewer coming to your channel to watch a particular video and they subscribe to your channel, they are becoming a community to you. They are going to form a community in your YouTube channel. In case you decided to post a different type of video, totally different from what she or he originally watched, that made him to subscribe to your channel, the person is not going to be having it. The person didn't subscribe to your channel because of that recent video that you are uploading. Okay, so it would be a turn off for that particular viewer. So if you really want to build a community of people that are going to be watching you and they will still come back to watch new form of videos, then you need to think about niching down. Even if you have originally do not have a niche for your channel, now is the right time for you to start niching down to a lesser or one particular type of video content that you are going to be putting out there for your viewers. Okay, so you can start just like I did with different type of videos. Then you decide later on which one viewers would like to watch, then you can start building from there. But already, if you know what type of videos that you like or what type of videos that your viewers would like to watch from the start, then you have to be putting that kind of content out there. So I just want to talk about a little bit what to do after your video has gone viral. After you've gotten that 10k, after you've gotten that 20k of views, after you've gotten that 50,000 views on a particular video, this is what you need to do. Produce another video that is related to the video that has gone viral. You will have a returning viewers. You have a lot of people that viewed your viral video coming back to your channel to watch the related video that has gone viral, and they are going to come back to your channel to watch more. But if you keep on making different type of videos, you aren't going to have returning subscribers or returning viewers, which is actually going to your channel. So what you need to do after a viral video is to keep on producing related content to the viral video. Keep on producing related videos to that video that has gone viral, and your channel is going to spark. Your channel is going to blow up. Your channel is going to go viral. Your channel is going to grow. And do not forget, consistency and then quality of videos also matter. It doesn't really mean that if you need to produce a lot of videos, then you are going to bring out chaff, or you're going to bring out videos that are not of quality. You need to make sure that as every video comes up, you are going to have the quality of that video improving after one video. Like you produce a video today, the next time you're producing another video, it is supposed to have some kind of improvement in it. Okay, so the earlier you learn this, the better for your channel. So you improve after every video. As you keep on producing new videos, you need to improve on the quality of that video, and being consistent is also very, very important after a viral video. If you are not consistent after a viral video, you are going to lose your viewers, you are going to lose your subscribers. They are not going to be seeing your videos again in the news feed or in front of them on their screens. They are not going to be seeing your videos again, because the algorithm is not going to show your videos to them if you are not consistent. So you have to make a schedule and be consistent with your upload. That will make your viewers come back to watch more videos from your channel. So I am going to keep a screenshot of how this video of mine has blew up my channel. It went from just a few subscribers to a whole number of subscribers. I am actually at 3,300 and something subscribers as at the time of recording this video. All this boils down to this kind of videos that I do. People love them and they keep subscribing to my channel because of those kind of videos. So I think I have a community of people that love to watch me because of that videos, and that is the essence of producing a video that goes viral. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you as a small creator, and we are going to grow together on this YouTube street. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.